Hello guys! So week 3 ng Certified Voice Artist Program. Ito yung point na sasabihin mong ang lapit na pero ang dami pa rin kailangang matutunan. In fact, yung mga natutunan namin or natutuhan namin during the third session were about setting up your studio and yung introduction to dubbing. So in the morning, our lecturer or trainer was Mr. Brian Perez, and he talked about the basic equipment for voiceover as well as yung different types ng mga microphone, kung ano po yung magandang mga microphone na pwede gamitin so that our sound quality or the quality of our sound will be good. Also taught us about mga jargons na ginagamit in the voice artist industry. So ayun nga yung plosives, reverb, clip, proximity effect, and acoustic treatment, among others, which I think nasa vocabulary ko na ngayon. Sana. And hopefully magamit ko yung mga words na yon para at least naman ma-feel kong ayun nga, voice artist tayo, no? He also taught us about audio editing, which for me yung pinaka-technical, tapos it was the hardest or most difficult to absorb. Kaya sabi ko, later ko na lang siya i-review ulit. Pag medyo marami na akong talagang i-edit. And then in the part where he taught us about choosing your niche, that's when I realized na parang hindi ako bagay sa dubbing kasi hindi ako masyado creative with or I am not able to do a lot of voices or characters, and parang mas comfortable ako doing voiceover. So siguro if I ever get the chance or the opportunities in the future, I would definitely go for voiceover gigs. Ayun, in the afternoon, our trainer, Miss Donna Abuyan, taught us all about the dubbing process. And what was cool for me in this part of the session was that there are symbols that dubbers use as a guide in order to dub more effectively. So I got to learn about yung mga terms like stretch, reacts, tapos meron din yung tight. So ayun, yun yung mga na-note ko, pero there were a lot, and na-appreciate ko yung value ng mga symbols na yun. Ayun nga, we got the chance to dub, and my experience with that was very embarrassing kasi ang pangit nung pagka-dub ko. Pero okay lang, kahit para nababasa ako ng grocery items nung nagdadub ako, at least na-experience ko siya and na-enjoy ko siya. So ayun lang yung weekly vlog. Very interesting yung mga topics and na-enjoy ko naman. That's all for my weekly vlog na late upload ulit. But thank you for accepting our late uploads, late submissions. Peace.